In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and add products to your inventory. Don't worry if this is your first time doing it, as I'll guide you through every step with clear instructions. First things first, open up your internet browser. I personally recommend using Chrome for this, as it works wonderfully with QuickBooks Online, but feel free to use another if it's your preferred choice. Now, navigate to the QuickBooks website by typing quickbooksintuit.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks account with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to sign up, but we'll assume you're all set to log in today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, let's move on to add a product. Look to the left of your screen where you'll see a sidebar. Click on the option labeled Sales. This will open up a series of sub-options, and from these, select Products and Services. This is where all of your products will be listed, and it's the hub for managing everything related to them in QuickBooks. With the Products and Services page open, we're ready to add a new product. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and find a button marked New. Go on and click that to begin the process of adding a product. This will open a new window asking for details about the product you're adding. Here, you'll need to make an important decision: the type of product you're adding. QuickBooks offers several options here: inventory, non-inventory, service, and bundle. Choose inventory if you're tracking the quantity of this product on hand. Non-inventory is for items you sell or purchase but don't intend to track the quantity. Use service if you're setting up a service your business provides. And lastly, bundle is for when you want to group several products or services together. Now, let's fill in the product details. Enter the product's name in the name field. You can add a SKU or product number if it's something you're tracking. Selecting a category is optional but can be useful for organizing your products down the line. Next, set the sales price or rate, which is crucial for tracking your revenue accurately. You'll also need to choose an income account to track where these sales are reported in your financials. If you selected an inventory type, remember to enter the current quantity on hand, the as of date, and a reorder point, which is optional but helps in managing stock levels effectively. You can also add a description which will appear on your sales forms. This one's optional, but it can add clarity for you and your customers. Lastly, if you have purchase information like cost and the expense account to track these purchases, fill these in as well. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you have more products to add. And that's it. You've successfully added a product in QuickBooks Online. Hopefully you found this guide helpful.